Have you ever wondered what lies beneath our feet? Earth may seem like a solid mass, but deep within lies a hidden world of incredible heat, pressure, and constantly moving parts. Today, we are going on a journey to explore the Earth's interior, from the thin crust we walk on to the fiery core at its center. Get ready to learn what's hidden beneath the surface. Imagine Earth like a giant, layered chocolate ball. The crust, the thin outer shell we live on, is like the chocolate coating. But unlike a candy treat, Earth's insides are scorching hot and under immense pressure. Let's take a dive into what lies beneath our feet. The crust, a thin skin. The crust is the thinnest layer. It's like the apple's skin compared to the whole fruit. There are two main types, continental crust, which forms our land masses, and oceanic crust, found beneath the oceans. Continental crust is primarily composed of granite, whereas oceanic crust is mainly composed of basalt. Continental crust is thicker and less dense, with an average thickness ranging from 30 to 50 kilometers, while oceanic crust is thinner and denser, typically around 5 to 10 kilometers thick. Continental crust is older on average compared to oceanic crust, forming the continents and their surrounding shelves with diverse topography, including mountains and plains. Oceanic crust, continually forming at mid-ocean ridges and being subducted at deep-sea trenches, is relatively young and predominantly found in the ocean basins, characterized by features like mid-ocean ridges and ocean trenches. These differences in composition, thickness, age, topography, and tectonic activity between continental and oceanic crust play a crucial role in Earth's geology and plate tectonics. The mantle. The mantle is a large layer inside the Earth, located between the crust and the core. It's made up of hot, heavy rocks. There are two main parts, the upper mantle and the lower mantle. The upper mantle behaves like a thick, slow-moving fluid. While it's mostly solid, it can flow slowly over millions of years. It's composed of rocks like olivine and pyroxene. This part of the mantle helps to move the Earth's surface, causing phenomena such as earthquakes and the shifting of continents. Beneath the upper mantle lies the lower mantle. It's solid but can still move slowly, similar to thick molten material. This part of the mantle is under immense pressure and heat. It's made up of different types of rocks, such as bridgmanite and ferropericlase. The lower mantle helps distribute heat inside the Earth and drives processes like volcanic eruptions. In simple terms, the mantle is a significant layer of hot, heavy rocks inside the Earth that helps in moving things around and controlling how the Earth works. The core, situated at the center of the Earth, is a vital part of our planet's structure. It is divided into two main sections, the outer core and the inner core. The outer core, extending from approximately 2,890 kilometers to 5,150 kilometers beneath the Earth's surface, consists of molten material, primarily iron and nickel. This liquid state is maintained due to the extreme temperatures and pressures found within the Earth. The outer core's movement generates the Earth's magnetic field, shielding us from harmful solar radiation and aiding in navigation. Despite the intense heat, the inner core remains solid due to the immense pressure exerted by the layers above. Its solidification and growth over time contribute to the Earth's magnetic field and geodynamic processes. In essence, the core is an indispensable component of Earth's structure, influencing its magnetic field, geological activity, and overall stability. We haven't directly drilled into the Earth's core, but scientists use indirect methods to study its properties. Seismic waves, vibrations traveling through the Earth during earthquakes, change their behavior as they pass through different layers, revealing clues about the core's composition. Our understanding of the Earth's interior is constantly evolving. By studying these hidden layers, we gain insights into how our planet formed, the forces that shape its surface, and even the possibility of life existing deep underground. It's a fascinating journey, all happening beneath our feet. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative contents.